Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Breakout Scanner 123 pattern indicator. All right, now it's important for you to note that this indicator is currently for sale on the MQL5 marketplace. It's going for 39 US dollars currently. However, the MQL5 marketplace gives us the privilege of testing the indicator using the free demo. So we're just going to do that right now. All right. So now we wait for the indicator to be added to our terminal. And from there, we will be able to analyze the indicator, see how it works, and then you'll know if it's going to be a suitable tool for you. Okay. All right, here we go. So just going to drag and drop and then click test. Okay, so we are going to be testing the indicator using our strategy tester, right? And then click on start. So within a few seconds, we should have the indicator appear for us to analyze. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, this indicator is actually a pattern finder. All right, as the name implies, the pattern, scanner, right? It's a pattern scanner. So it actually helps us to be able to quickly identify certain patterns on the chart. For example, you can see how it helped us identify this chart pattern and then also give us a sell signal here, right? So we can see that the downward red arrow, gives us a signal, and then you can see here, you can scan the chart. See this button here, scan all charts. You can click on that, and then you can also see these buttons for different time frames. All right, let's just turn them back. Okay, so this indicator helps you identify patterns on your chart and then predicts the possible direction, okay, like what we can see happening here. So what you have to do is you wait for a pattern to emerge, you wait for a signal, you ensure that you have a confirmation, and then you proceed to execute the trade once you are comfortable with what you see. All right, ensure that you always prioritize risk management. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and use proper risk to reward ratios. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.